Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Tivimate on mobile. Before starting the video, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number available in the video description. Let's start the video. First you need to have a downloader app. I already have it. Now I just wait for 5 seconds. After this, click on search bar and enter the code that I enter 298344. Then click on OK. Now again wait for 5 seconds. Here you can see many IPTV apps. To download Tivimate, scroll down. Now you can see the Tivimate app. To install Tivimate app, click on Tivimate. Now you can see that the Tivimate is started installing. Thanks for watching, and if you need any IPTV subscription, you can contact me at WhatsApp. Thanks.